Shaving takes so much time and effort out of your day, and it was something that I didn't want to do anymore. So I looked into laser hair removal and I saw Triniti Laser Clinic. It was so easy and pain-free.
Oh wow, I can barely feel anything.
There are different techniques for hair removal. We have our shaving, that we cut the surface of the hair. You're gonna spend a lot of money on shavers and water and time, and it's not permanent. The second is your waxing. You spend money at the spa, get your leg waxed, it comes back in 3 weeks. Because it just takes the hair out by the root, but it doesn't kill the stem cells. When we do laser hair removal, we hit the hair, we hit the stem cells, the hair is gone permanently. So it's the best choice.
A lot easier
That
than
was
shaving,
amazing.
hey?
Yeah, so much easier.
In about 2 to 3 weeks, you're gonna have some shedding. So you might see it on your deodorant, so that's a really good sign.
Want to hear something really fun?
Yeah.
We're done.
What?
I know.
That was like less than 2 seconds.
I would definitely recommend Triniti Laser Clinic to all of my friends and family. I was greeted, I was taken care of, and I'm so happy with the customer service that I got.